Okay, students, so today we are going to learn the new topic, that is the estimate difference. What is the meaning of difference? Tell me. Minus. Minus, subtraction. You can see that. Whenever the word, अब मैं जब बोलूँ तब आपको लिखना है. Whenever the word came difference, you have to do the subtraction. Right? Now, here one more word added. Mute yourself and listen to me. Estimate. Have you heard this word previously? Where you heard this? कहाँ पे सुना था? In the chapter number 2, addition. In the chapter number 2, we are doing the estimate sum, right? So tell me student, what are you doing in the estimate sum? आप estimate sum में क्या करते थे? What? Yes, addition करते थे. Very good. Okay, very nice. So first of all, in the previous chapter, we learned the word the estimate sum. What we are doing in the estimate sum, there are two numbers given to you. Now mute yourself, everyone. Two numbers are given to you and in form of addition and told you to do the estimating of that sum. Firstly, what should you have to do in the estimate sum? You have to find out. Please mute yourself. Round off both numbers nearest to tens. Then where find the number, the round off, you have to do the addition of that numbers. After that, you also find the actual sum. कि actual sum क्या आएगा, estimate sum क्या आएगा. You can see that actual sum and estimated sum both are near. So same process we are going to learn, that is the word, only one word change. In place of the sum, the word came difference. So what should we have to do in the estimate difference? क्या करना पड़ेगा estimate difference में? What we in the estimate sum, yes, we have to do the subtraction, we have to find the difference. What we are doing in the estimate sum? Now listen to me. What we are doing in the estimate sum, we are find the round of both numbers, then do the addition of that numbers. Now in the estimate difference, you have to find out round of both numbers and do the subtraction of that numbers. That's it. कुछ change नहीं करना. So now write down the heading in the notebook. Estimate difference. हाँ, नोटबुक में लिखना है तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना. Write down the heading name. Estimate difference. Now let's solve the first example. Example 1. Estimate. Write down like this. Estimate difference between of 46 and 32. Write down the heading. Estimate difference between, yes, write down. I told that. So you have to be write down in the notebook. Estimate, बोलो. मैंने कितनी बार बोला है ये क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं पूछना है. मैं हर बार नहीं बोलूंगी कि हाँ मैं भेजने वाली हूँ, मैं भेज ही देती हूँ. तो क्यों हर बार एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछना पड़ता है? Mute yourself. If your work is finished, then mute yourself. Don't be tell me that. Okay. Estimate. Yes, that you have to write down in the notebook. There is no space for in the textbook. What is the question? Estimate difference between the 46 and 32. Now we have to do the estimating of difference. Firstly, what should you have to do for the estimating difference? Find out round of the 46 and 32. So I'm going to write down that. क्या अकेला लिखना है? जो लिख रही हूँ पूरा ही लिखना है. अकेला क्या लिखोगे? जिसका वर्क नहीं हुआ उसके लिए फोटो में भेजूंगी ग्रुप में, तो वहां से वो कंप्लीट करेगा. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बी फाइंड आउट राउंड ऑफ 46. तो पहले आपको सोचना पड़ेगा 46 कौन से नंबर्स के बीच में आता है. इट्स अ बिटवीन द 40 एंड 50. सो round of 46 is 50, as 46 is near to 50. Now round of 32, we have to be found that round of 32. So first you have to be think that 32 is between 30 and 40. Answer is 30. So we get the round of the 46 and 30. It's a 50 and 30. Write down this. हाँ. I told you that you have 10. We have to write down estimate difference. अगर आपका नहीं हुआ है तो उसका फोटो मैं भेजूंगी. अगर आपका नहीं हुआ है, एस्टिमेट डिफरेंस. मैं एक ही चीज बार बार रिपीट नहीं करूंगी. डेफिनेटली ये नोटबुक में ही लिखा जा सकता है, तो नोटबुक में ही लिखेंगे हम. एक ही चीज क्यों बार बार पूछी जा रही है? राइट डाउन एस्टिमेट डिफरेंस. फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ 46. क्यों हम सम कर रहे हैं? सम वाला चैप्टर चैप्टर सीख रहे हैं. आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक में जगह है लिखने के लिए? एक जब कोई एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हो ध्यान से सुनो. एक ही क्वेश्चन बार बार रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. अभी हमारे क्लास के स्टार्ट हुए 15 मिनट हो गए. उतनी देर में 10 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट ने पूछ लिया मैम मैं नोटबुक में लिखना है. कुछ स्टूडेंट पूछ रहे हैं मैम एस्टिमेट डिफरेंस लिख सकते हैं, सॉरी सम लिख सकते हैं. हम सम कहाँ कर रहे हैं? हम डिफरेंस कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे माइनस है. Start the subtraction from ones place. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 20. उसके बाद फाइंड करना एक्चुअल सम डिफरेंस. एस्टिमेट डिफरेंस के बाद उसके पास में लिखना है एक्चुअल डिफरेंस। अगर आप मेरे साथ नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो आप वेट करोगे, क्लास खत्म होने के बाद मैं आपको फोटो भेजूंगी तो वहां से आप लिखोगे। एक्चुअल डिफरेंस में क्या करना पड़ेगा, 46 माइनस 32। 46 माइनस 32। 6 माइनस 2 4, 4 माइनस 3 1, 14। एस्टिमेट आया था 20, एक्चुअल डिफरेंस आया 14। कंप्लीट दिस एग्जांपल। नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 2। Example number 2, estimate difference of, write down, estimate difference of 827 and 341. 827 and 341. Example number 2. What is this? Now first what should we have to do? We have to be find out the round of 827. So first what you have to do? You have to be think about the 827 is between 820 and 830. If you don't want to attend the class now, you can leave. I will be put your attendance. Just you have to tell me, मैम मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है क्लास में, तो मैं आपको परमिट करूंगी क्लास से लीव होने की। लेकिन डिस्टर्बेंस बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए। Now 827 is nearest to which number, 820 or 830? It's nearest to, very good. Now round off 341. So we have to be first thing 341 कौन से numbers के बीच में आएगा, 340 and 350. Now tell me 341 किसके ज्यादा क्लोज है? Yes, 340. So 341 का राउंड ऑफ हुआ 340. Remember both round off. Now what we have to do? We have to find the estimated difference. Please mute yourself. मुझे नहीं सुनना आप पेरेंट्स क्या बात कर रहे हैं। So we are going to find estimated difference. So 827 का राउंड ऑफ था 830 और 341 का था 340. Write down the places, ones, tens, 100. Start the subtraction. हाँ, मैं तो वही तो बोला स्टार्टिंग में। बस यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है। एस्टिमेटेड सम में क्या करते थे, एडिशन करते थे। एस्टिमेटेड डिफरेंस में सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है। Start from the ones place. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 4. We cannot do that, so we have to take a borrow from the previous one. 7 and 1. 13 minus 4. 9. 7 minus 3. 4. 490. After it, find the actual difference. Actual difference means 827 minus 400, sorry, 341. 827 minus 341. Start the subtraction from ones place. 7 minus 1, 6. 2 minus 4, we cannot subtract. Yes, 1 borrow. 12 minus 4, 8. 7 minus 3, 4. 486. Right? Huh? Please mute yourself. Write down the third example. Completed till here. Okay, write down the third one. Estimate difference between of. Write down the third example. Mute yourself first. Your parents are talking here behind us. Write down third example. Estimate difference. What I say, you don't have to tell me. Estimate difference between of 609 and 283. Third example, estimate difference between of 609 and 283. So first we have to find out the round of both numbers nearest to tens. So first round of 609, yes, because 609 is between 600 and 610. तो वो किसके ज़्यादा क्लोज हुआ? 610. Now round off 283. So it's a between 280 and 290. So closer than to the 280. So दोनों का राउंड ऑफ हमें मिल गया 610 and 280. Now find out the estimated difference. Find out estimated difference so round off both numbers 609 का राउंड ऑफ है 610 माइनस 283 का है 280 write down the places ones tens 100 now start the subtraction from ones place 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 8 we cannot subtract so we have to take a borrow from the previous one 1 here 5 and here is also 1 11 minus 8 3 5 minus 2 3 answer is answer is 330 find the actual sum find out the actual difference and mute yourself 609 please mute yourself 609 283 start the subtraction from ones place 9 minus 3 6 background music now 0 minus 8 we cannot subtract so we have to take a borrow from the previous one 0 as it is give a 1 borrow 10 minus 1 oh sorry 10 minus 8 2 5 minus 2 3 326 answer is 326 write down example number 4 estimate difference between of mute yourself otherwise leave the class estimate difference between 777 and 529 complete it by yourself right now give you a 5-minute time solve the fourth one 777 and 529 give you the 5-minute time solve it by yourself so we find out both round off 777 round off is 780, and 700 529 round off is 530. Now find out the estimate difference. So subtract the round off numbers. 780 minus 530. Write down the places: ones, ones, tens, hundred. Do the subtraction. Start from the ones place: 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 3, 5, 7 minus 5, 2. Answer is 250. Answer is 250. Now find out the actual sum, actual difference. 777 minus 529. 7 minus 9 we cannot subtract, so we have to take a borrow from the previous one. 7 as it is. Here will be a 6 and 1. 17 minus 9, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. Answer is the 248. Estimate difference is 250 and actual difference is 248. Both are the near one. Okay. So now homework is your fifth homework. Fifth is your homework. नहीं, आप ट्राई कर सकते हो, लेकिन मैं होमवर्क नहीं दे रही हूँ। वो हम मंडे को सॉल्व करेंगे। 959 minus 785. Yes, this is your homework. 959 and 785. मैं इसका फोटो भी भेज रही हूँ।